Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a face mask from Bliss. It's called the Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Soufflé Mask. So let's get on into the video. So there we go. And again, here we go into the video. Of course, I'm going to use one of my foundation brushes from Juicy Couture to apply it. And let's see. Whoa. It feels really cool. Now the directions are to apply a thick layer, but I'm just gonna just go with it, like, cause I don't know how thick I want this to be. Like, do I really want to look like a mud man? I mean, of course, obviously I wouldn't be doing the mask if I didn't want to look like a mud man. So I think that's good enough, and it says to always put this little thing back in the thing. So that's that, and let's go over the directions. So it says smooth a thick layer onto clean dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So let me rinse this off and set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes. Also, you guys, I'm making banana bread, so I'm being a whole ass housewife here. I got a face mask on, and I'm making banana bread, as you can see. Ooh, I'm pretty sure it's ready too. Perfect timing. And I'm going to leave this on, then rinse. Okay, so one thing I do have to say is that my skin is burning. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. I know it's detoxifying pores, but like over here, it's literally like on fire. I don't know why, but we shall see. So here is my bread fresh out of the oven, and I'm gonna go run it over to my in-laws. So it stopped burning. I think I'm okay. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off now. So here we go. I have a washcloth that is wet, and we're just gonna wipe it off. Whew. And my skin does have some redness. Obviously that's the mask. My skin was completely clear and clean of anything. It was washed with soap. So there's that. It is done. I'm gonna go ahead and let my face dry. Fan here. So yeah, there's that. My face is drying, and thank you so much for watching. My skin looks actually really nice. It does have a little bit of redness, but it feels really like, oh my god, it feels so soft. Like, whoa, like a baby's butt. And I have a baby who has butt. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Wow. I like this. So I will keep applying it 2 to 3 times a week, just like it says. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel, Melody Han, Life of a Blonde, or Rebel Blondie MUA. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much.